What's up, all? I just wanted to give you an upgrade, or an update, sorry, on an upgrade that I did. Went ahead and replaced the rotors all the way around, as well as the brake pads. I'm using Powerstop Z26. It's got the slotted rotors drilled. And I will tell you this, well, first of all, that's the front, did the back as well, and I will say that they stop extremely good, and they look good, they stop well, there's no brake dust. Had the Brembo pads on there along with the stock rotors, and honestly they were horrible. I will tell you that the way that it handles, the way that it steers, the way that it just overall quality is, I mean, lights out. I can't complain at all. So yeah, so very pleased. I've had them for about a week. They stop on a dime, very smooth, no squealing, no nothing, no brake dust. Highly recommend Z26 Powerstop brake pads and rotors if you ever decide to upgrade. So that's about it. Like I said, man, they look great, they feel great, and I can't complain. So all right, boys and girls, that's it. If you have any questions, let me know.